Hello from my backyard. I just wanted to send out a little note or a little video, I guess, not a note, to say hey and to let you know that I'm thinking of you and I miss you and I wish we were at school, probably more than you guys wish we were at school, but some of you are, if you're like my kids, you're starting to get a little bored with just being at home all the time. Um, anyway, I have heard from some of you and I loved it. The Snapchats or texts or even the emails. Keep those coming. It makes it so nice just to hear from you guys and see what you're up to and see kind of how things are going, or if you have questions and if I can answer them, I'll sure try. Right now, there's no homework, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that. You can find all the new skills that you can think of. Um, I found that I do not have a skill as a dancer. Just found this out last night as we tried to have a dance party to Zombies 2. I can't follow their moves. They're too fast. And quite frankly, I don't bend that way. So it was kind of an eye opener for me because I really did think in my retirement ages I was going to end up being a dancer somewhere. But, whatever, it's fine. English teacher may be kind of where I should stay. So, anyway, I just wanted to tell everybody hi. And so, nothing major, nothing big, just letting you know that I'm thinking of you, letting you know that I can't wait to see all of you again and to hear about what things you were able to do while you're on this little break. And, like I said, anyone who cooks, remember those, if you'd like to bring in samples when all this is over, I'm really open to that. So, find some board games. Those are always great. Briar's kind of a mean little sorry player, but we're doing okay. Uh, we just have to remember to keep her on the other side of the table. Other than that, I don't know. We're trying to keep ourselves busy just as much as you guys are. So, as I said, reach out. Let me know how you're doing. I'd love to hear from all of you. I'll talk to you later and see you soon.